Or hold on, let me see some of my backup. Let me see BKP. Let's go to that. Has come. Okay, I think I can go with this. Let me close. This one is a bit different. Stem resource. Let me see where this one stop. Okay. So between 6% and 6, so employee key is there. Click OK. Close. So there's a relationship between six percent and 6. The inactive relationship between 6% performance and 6 and then delete it. So this 6% performance and 6 this. I'll delete it. Don't need it again. Okay. So I will come to a model view under the 6% that I just added. Employee ID, put down control key, employee key, and UPN. I will hide it. Okay. So this 6%, I'll click on the name. Under the description, I will type 6% related to 6. Click outside it. So if you point to this, it's going to show it a description. Then for the salesperson performance, this, I'll click on it. I will come to this place, type salesperson related to region. Yes, now. So click outside to accept it. It will point to it. It's giving you as a tip. So that takes me to the end of that. Then I'll come back to data view. I want to create a date table. Okay. So I will click on new table. I already had the formula. I don't want to waste time. Date table. So I'll deliver. So I want to create a column that will have my financial year. So new column. So a formula has come up. So this is the formula for my new year, which I have explained in our last class. Really what you have here. So you have your financial year column. Yeah. So I have financial year here like that. Please just be following me. If you don't understand anything, you can still call my attention. But you know I need to work fast. So we want to create a quarter and a month table. So I have a quarter formula. New column. So that's the formula for my column. And I remember I adjust this thing. Yeah. I did explain this thing last week clearly so that I don't need to waste time here again. So financial year quarter 1 to 4, that's 2018, 2019, 2020, 2022. So I have that there. Then we have a month column. Okay. Month column. So new column. And I explained details what we did there last. Okay. And I said calendar.
I'm
So we
sorry,
now
sir. Where
had,
did you get the metrics from, please? Just this screen now.
say from here, matrix. See matrix on the visualization.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. A moment, let me check something under the dates. Let's see.
So please, can you expand your screen? It's kind of minimized.
I didn't minimize my screen, is expanded.
Oh, showing that is minimized.
Okay. So I come here, you have your matrix there. Then I said in the data pane, inside the data table, drag the year into the rows. So here you drag your year to this row. So you have your year like that. Then the next one is you drag your month under it here like this, so that you have this. And I went further to format visual, and I said we increase our column header. Remember our fonts, Times Romans. We make our header 20 and make it bold. Then row header, the same thing, 20 bold. Then return our values, Times Romans 18 here. We didn't bold it. Okay, so you have this. So now look at on the top here. I remember I said this fork button, click on it. You see that you have your so this is the formula to generate our month key. So press enter. So you have 2017-07 here as these are our month key. Sorry, we got to this place in the class, or did we pass this place?
We didn't do this place. We stopped
We
at
didn't do this place in the class. Okay. So that means we stop when we create the month field. Then I will have to remove this guy and I explain. Thank you. Thank you. So I have to explain that part. Thank you. But we did this in the class, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So, and you all understood that you see that our financial year month is arranged in alphabetical order and it's wrong. So for us to correct this so that we arrange properly, we now go back to our data view. So everybody in the class, follow me. This is where we stopped last week. I will have to rush quickly. Okay. So we want to create a month key, So, sorry, a month key. So I will now say new column. This is the formula for a month key, this. and press enter. Now let me explain how we did this. Let me see if I can see. Do I copy my notes? My solution. So
I'm sorry, sir.
details.
Just a reminder, how do we go to the second line again?
You hold down your shift key and press enter.
Okay.
That's how we go to the second line.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. I think I didn't back that one up. Let me call to our let me bring up a new notepad. Okay. Let me increase this. What will be the year you will, what will be the year you have in line 1? Can anybody talk to me? Are we in the class?
2017.
2017. Thank you. So this place, what I select here will generate 2017 multiplied by 100. So you are saying this place, what you have here, we extract 2017 from that first column. That is, you have 2017 multiplied by 100. What will be the result?
201700.
That will be 21700. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, pretend as if we don't see this plus sign. Come to this function. It's saying months is a function like a year. This saying go to date table on the date column, extract the month of the date. Extract the month of the date, that is, come to date table on the right hand side. Can you see date table? Now go to the date column. In the date there, extract the month of my date. What will be the result of that one if it does it for line 1? What will be the result in line of the month?
2017 August.
No, ma. Line 1, 2017, what's the month per? Remember, do you still remember American date and British dates? I explained that last week now. If it's American date, it's going to be month before day before year. If it is British, it's going to be day before month and year. Year maintain the same position. It's only month and day that is swap. So my system is American date. If your own is British date, your date element will be different from mine. I explained that last week. Okay? If you follow what I'm doing here, you will see that this function for line 1 will generate 7. that clear to us? That is how we generate the month key. Okay.
If I may ask, why 100?
You just want to make it a unique value, nothing more. We want it to have a uniform. The 100 is that each of the month is 2 digits, right? It's like we want to add the digits of the months. We want to add it behind the year, so that when you get to a month or 2 digits, let me show you. When you come to, can you see? When you in up to September is a 09, but when you get to October, what happened? You have 2-digit number. So the 100 you multiply that is to accommodate the digit of the year. Sorry, of the month. October 10, November, then December 1, 2. Then when you come to January again, 01 up to December 09. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. So having done that, let's switch back to our report view. Select your month field here, month field. Come to your report view, click on month column, month field. Okay. Now on the column tools, look at this, your column tools there. That's on your menu bar. Look at on the right-hand side on the column tools. Now, there is sort by here, sort by. Can you see this sort by? If you click on table tools, those things will go away, but on column tools, you will see the ribbon below has changed. So on the sort by, click the arrow down. So it's asking me which key do I want to sort by. I want to sort by month key. The month key that I just generated. What you did now, I want to apply it. So select month key. Hello? Did you understand me? Did you do what I asked? Did you do that?
Yes, sir.
You click on your month field, come to column tools, sort by, click on come again.
The sort key.
Yeah, I said click on the month field.
Yeah.
You are on report view, right? Report view.
Yes, sir.
Come to your data pane. In the date table, click on the month field. Can you see what I have done? It showed the month in gray, the background in gray area.
Yes, sir.
Then I now said under the column tools, here, you will see sort by. Can you see sort by here, column? Can you see the button I point to? That's from your right, if you count in word, the fourth button. 1, new column, relationship, data group, sort by. Can you see it?
I can't see it on my laptop. I'm trying to.
Wow, let me stop sharing and show me your screen. Show me your screen, Damola.
Okay.
So that we'll be on the same page.
The moment, please, because I'm using so I need to move it to my laptop so that I'll be able to share it.
Okay, no problem. Babajide, are you following me? Olabanji, are you in the class? Bode, are you in the class?
I'm in the class.
Okay.
Yes,
Paradise, are you in the class?
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, your screen is coming up. Okay. Okay. Now, go and click on your months. On the data pane, click on the months. Click.
This
No,
month?
man. Yes, click on it. Click. See
Oh,
your column 2s now.
oh,
See your sort here, the arrow down. Click the arrow down there where you are now. See your month key. Click on it. Click. Once covering your, okay. So you can see it has rearranged it for you now.
yes, sir.
July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay?
Yes.
Good. So please, no stupid question in this class. Everybody is welcome. You are learning.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
So
sir.
stop sharing. You are welcome. So let me share my screen now. Don't keep quiet. If you don't understand what I'm saying, don't keep quiet, please. I beg you.
Second, she wants me. Let me speak with Juliet. I'm co-host, but I think she's taking the permission to record.
Okay.
Let me speak with Juliet and I'll
Please
take
go
over.
on. Please go on.
Okay. Okay, ABM, I can start now.
Okay. Can I continue?
Okay, that's fine. So I should stop. Good.
Yeah, you can stop. Yeah,
Okay.
So can we continue?
you can continue.
Okay. So the next thing we want to do now is go to your model view here. Remember, we any key we don't need, we hide them. You will agree with me that month key is not going to be used for anything functional in our report. So click on your month key and come to its hidden and hide it. So turn it to yes. Month key, hide it. Okay? So that if you come to your report view, you will not see your month key here. What it does is at the background. It doesn't have anything to do with my report. Okay? The only thing it does is to rearrange this thing. All your user want to see is that your month is arranged properly, nothing more. So let's go to report view, the model view. So the next thing is that hierarchy that is done there. I want to create our own. Okay. We want to create a hierarchy that has year, quarter, and month. Year, quarter, and month. And I have told you that the first column in your hierarchy is what you are going to start with. So which is the year? Right click on year and say create hierarchy. We've done this over and over. So in your year hierarchy, change it to fiscal. The name of the hierarchy is fiscal year. Fiscal, like this. Right click on year, create hierarchy, name the hierarchy fiscal. Okay. And press enter to accept it. So we want to add the next one to it, the months, the quarter, and the month. So come to hierarchy below the property. Under select a column to add. Select quarter. Select the second one, months. So you have your year, quarter, and month. Okay? And apply level changes here. So that you add all the other columns there, apply level changes. Okay? So you created the fiscal year hierarchy that has year, quarter, and month. Do we understand that? Now, we want to go back in this model, we want to create a relationship between the date table, okay, and sales, the date table, and target months, because they keep information that we want to intelligently analyze on timeline based on dates. So easiest we go to manage relationship, okay, and click on new relationship. The first one is dates. The other one is sales. So I'm going to do something different from what you used to in our relationship key. Date column in dates is what hold dates. In my sales, other dates is the one that hold dates. Remember, like I explained to you, it's not by the field name, by the content of the column. So the content here is date, the content here is date. So the two of them will relate together. That is, date column will be related with sales or another date, and it's going to be one-to-many relationship. That is, one date can have many lines in my sales table. One-to-many relationship. One date, I can have many transactions that belongs to a day in my sales. You don't pray that you will come to your business and you have no transaction for a day. So the transaction will be as many as possible lines, and they will carry the same dates. Yes, you understand that part. So click OK. Now, new again. So this time around, dates and targets and targets. Date and target, days. Okay? Date column, but target month is what carry date in my target. So you click on this. So you are saying you are forming a relationship between the date table and target month on date and target month column. One-to-many relationship. Again, you are saying my date can have many targets can be set based on the dates from my date. So click OK. So you can see the two relationship we just attached, date and sales, date on other dates, date and target on target month and dates. You can see all other ones that they have the same name, but this one they have the name is different, but the content is the same. So you close. So look at your dates. It has a relationship with your sales. Look at your target. Date has a relationship with it. We are going to hide these two columns. Again, we don't need the other date in our analysis and target month. So we'll go to sales. We'll come to our sales. Select other dates. And hold down your control key. Expand your target month. Target month. Click on it. Hold down your control key. So you select your other dates and target month together. Now you turn your heading to yes. You are saying hide other dates and target month. Let's quickly flip to your report view. Look at your sales. Under sales, you will not see other dates here again. Look at your target. You will not see target month. It's been hidden. Okay. For the date table to act as a date in every activities I want to perform, I want to turn my date to a date table. So click on the date table, name itself, date table. Not the date field, please. This is date field, but I'm talking of date table. Okay. On the table tools, look at your menu. You see table tools there. Inside the calendar group, here is calendar. You will see mark as date table here. Okay. So select the arrow down here. Mark as date table. Click on this. So it's asking me, mark as date tables on which column? Which column is starting as date? Okay, is simply the date column. So I'm turning every area of my analysis. So this date table now, any analysis I'm doing on this Power BI, Power Query and Co is going to recognize my date as a date table. Going to recognize it as a date table. Any question for me? Any question for me?
No questions, sir.
Okay. Now, click on File, Save. File, Save. So that we have the record of what we are doing. So this table define our date time for any analysis. Now, on the page 2 where we are, let's drag our sales unit price, feed into the matrix. Okay. Come to this sales. Okay. check your unit price. Make sure you select your matrix. Check your unit price here. Okay. So it's giving me, remember, we've set our on average. We'll set our default summarization for unit price as average. But I don't have what I have here. I still want to have a unit price. So come to values under visualization. Right click on this, remove average of, I only want unit price here. We've done that over and over. So the result you see here is the monthly average for July. Something is there. I will quickly go back to my formula. I needed to change something. Look at, he's giving me, I don't want all this, the like summary on top here. So let me come to this place, come to row subtotal. Row subtotal. Subtotal label, position of my row subtotal, I want it at the bottom. Yeah. Okay. So under row subtotal, okay, come to your row subtotal and pick position of it to be bottom. Good. So this is the average price for July, August, September, up to June, the financial year end. The total, what is timing total here? I can come to this place under the row subtotal. Instead of total, I will call it average because I'm dealing with average here. Sorry. Average. That's my average for the year, average price for the year. If you add all this and divide by 12, it's going to give you this. Okay? Good. Any question for me? So that's the monthly average and year average that you are looking at there. Now, if you now come to your visual, under this unit price, if you look at the arrow pointing down here, look at visualization, values, what you are calling a unit price here, if you click the arrow down here, it's giving you varieties of things. I can still come back here and change this thing to sum. Okay? I can change it to sum, but that is betraying. I can change it to minimum. I can change it to maximum, but that is altering my information. That is altering the value I want there. I want that thing to be average. So how do I now keep it as average? How do I keep it as average? I'm going to write, this is one of the beauty of your mayor. So I'm going to create a mayor called average price. So right click on sales, new mayor. Okay. I will call it, the name of it is going to be average price. Okay. So come to this place, press enter, type average. Open brackets. Sales table unit price, this, and close the brackets and press enter. So now, here is my average price there. Okay? Add the average price to your matrix. So just check on the average price. Okay. Can you look at the price under unit price and price under average price? Somebody respond to me. Any difference?
It's the same.
Yeah,
It's the same. Now let's come to look at average price under value. Click on the arrow down here. What do you see? Do you have any option? Do you have any room to change it again?
No, no.
Okay. So this is one of the beauty of your mayor. So mayor will make sure you have the exact information you want on your system. Unlike the default functions, they are changed based on whatever value selected. So if look at your unit price. If I come under unit price, it's based on default function. I can change to sum. I can change to median. I can change to variance. Can you see the value is not the same thing as the average price? Hello?
It's not the same.
So I'm trying to let you see the importance of what you are using your mayor for. So I will take out unit price because it's not giving me what I want. It's average price I need. Okay, good. Quickly, we are going to make use of our snippets because of time. We want to have a formula: median price, minimum price, maximum price, orders, order line. I don't want to waste time here. The formula is still the same. So I'm going to say right click on sales, new mayor. The snippets is in, I've shown you where the snippets is the other time. Let me show you again. I don't want to waste time here. All files, if you still remember this, all files, 300, labs. The lab we are working on is DAS calculation. Hit this one, open it. Under your assets, you have your snippets here, this. So all the formula we are written is there. You can check at home. So quickly, I want to write my median price. This. So median price. But because I want to maintain decorum, I will check this to, I will reduce it to MED so that we have space. MED for median price. So I've gotten that mayor. So the next one is minimum price. Right click on sales, new mayor. So delete what you have there, paste, minimum price. So your minimum price mayor is there. So the next one is maximum price. Copy. New, right click on sales, new mayor. So you have your maximum price. Please, when you are practicing on your own, I want you to type all this formula yourself so that you'll be used to what you are doing. Then you want to count order that you have. Order that you have. So right click on sales, new mayor. So delete what you have here. I want to call this one number of orders. So I will call it orders norm. And press enter. And finally, orders line. Count the rules of your sales. How many order line do you have? Okay. Email. So this time around, I will remove this thing I will reduce it to LIN so that I have order line. For me to see the beauty of all the measures I've just done, so let me come median price, click on your metrics. Let's see the median price, this. Let's see the minimum price, this. Let's say the maximum price, this. Let's say the orders number, this. Number of orders made in a month. Then line, order lines. So this. So can you see all of them now? It's giving you statistics of your sales, statistic of your sales. The formula for your counting orders, okay? When you come to this order line, say, no, counting order number. See, it's telling you distinct count. Any duplicate is taking it out, it's only giving you a single item so that you know that in each of your order, you can have many lines there. So that's how you are saying distinct. Okay? Any question for me? Any question for me? Hello, class. Any question? In absence of no question, let me come to other view, model view. Okay? Average price, medium, minimum, and maximum. Okay? Let's put them in a folder called pricing. So click on average price, hold down your control key, maximum price, medium price, minimum price. 4 of them selected. Come to your display folder and type price in there. So you group your average price, maximum price, median price, minimum price into folder pricing. Unit price, you don't need it again, so we are going to hide it. Click on your unit price and say it's adding. Okay. Order lines and order. That's your order number, this. Another number, this. Hold down your control key and select it. Put it on a folder called count, display folder, because it's just counting. And press enter. So it has created a folder for you. So we can see all items added on your report view here. You can see all of them. So any question? Want to move on? Any question for me?
No
Hello,
question.
class. Any question?
No question.
Okay, let's go to page 1. We've added our target there. Look at the total for target column. Now, click on this one. Let's remove the target field. Remove the target field from here. Okay. We want to do some manipulation here. Come to your targets. The target you have here, call it target amount. Target amount. Right click on it and say rename. Call it target amount. We want to create a mayor called targets. We want to create a mayor called targets. Okay. So now, I don't want to waste time. The target mayor. I want to copy the formula is in that snippet. So right click on your sales. Sorry. So right click on your target. Click on new mayor. Okay. Delete what you have there and paste my formula there. I'm calling it targets. Okay. And I'm saying if salesperson performance, salesperson column has a value, has one value, sum it to target amounts. Okay. If it has a value, that is, if any of the sales, if any of the sales rep made a sale, add it to a field, a column of target amounts. Okay, press enter. So that's the formula I'm writing here. You are saying if the salesperson is filtered for one person and it is not blank, that's when it's going to carry out this mail. Okay. Now click on your targets. Okay. Click on your target and come to your, under your manual tools, you see that the decimal places there is auto. Change it to 0 decimal place. Yeah. And press enter. Click on your target amount and hide it. Come to your model view. Or you can right click on target amount and say hide. So you will not see it. It's only your target that is remaining there. Now, come back and add your targets to your matrix. Okay? click on target here. Because we've already seen you should not bother about the null values, okay? And it's taking out the sum total is now blank. So let's go back to our snippet quickly and write the variance and variance margin. So here is the formula I will quickly use. Right click on target, new mail. Delete what I have here. Variance. So I want to shorten it because of space. VAR. So as value this, okay? If it has a value, go to your sales column and subtract it from, so your sales and target. You want to say the sales your customer has made and the target given to him or her. So you want to see the difference. If the result is 0, meaning your sales rep has meet our target. If the result is negative, meaning that sales rep has not performed optimally, depends on the value, depends on the look of things. So, press enter. We want to see the margin. So, right click on sales, on target, sorry, new mail. So delete what you have there. So I want to shorten this so that I can have enough space. VAR. And press enter. Here you are dividing your variance by target multiplied by 100. So that's your, sorry, what's happening? Sorry, something is wrong here. Okay, variance is VAR. I've seen the problem. Yeah, it's VAR. Thank you. Value can be determined. What does that mean? Hold on. Okay, that has been done. So variance format it to 0 decimal place. So your variance margin is in percentage. Then 2 decimal places, okay? We need to bring both to this place. So check your variance. I have a challenge here. Font size is too big. So I'll quickly come to this, my format view, so that I can reduce. What's my column header? Let's make it 18. What's my values? Let me make it 15. Okay. So let me now bring in my variance margin. So you can see your margin there now. Why it appear all 6% meeting target, remember that the table visual, whatever you have here is not analyzed on time basis. So don't say your sales rep are not missing targets. Okay? You will do that later. So now if you look at your right-hand side, you have your targets, dates, products, region, reseller, salesperson performance. That is all you have here. So that takes me to the end of this. That takes me to the end of your calculation. Okay? We have at this junction, we can call it a day. Any question for me? Hello, class. Any question for me?
There is no question.
How many people have I lost here?
No. I think everybody's intact.
Eh?
Maybe one person.
Do you all understand? Do you all understand what I'm explaining here?
Nice.
Do you all understand what I'm explaining here?
Yeah, it's followable.
Yeah, I believe if we go through the video for
The
me.
video is followable.
Wow. Okay. But I would prefer you understand me in the class, though. No problem.
Yes. Creating the measures and all is quite straightforward. There's
It's
some of the
quite
formulas that I
okay.
would need to struggle with. Yeah. I think I lost you with one of the formulas way back.
Which
But
one of
the rest,
them?
there is, yeah, it wasn't just responding for me. I think I missed, there is a step I missed during the month
Which one,
key,
which one
month
of
key,
them? Eh?
the month key,
The
from the
month
month
key.
key. So it was giving me error message. So I lost track of the activities.
I simply use it to explain. Okay, this one. I simply use it to explain that you want to have a formula. This is the formula itself. Month key is equal to year, extract the year part of the date column. That is, if you come to this place, this is your coming. This is your date column. This is your dates. You are saying go to date table. This is date table. Okay. You are now saying go to date column and extract year. That's this function here. Extract year from the first one you have here in this code is referring to the name of the table. The field inside square bracket is referring to the field name or the column name or attribute name. Year is a function. You are passing date table and date field as available to the year. That is, go to the year table in date column, extract the year part of the date. And when it answers that, it's going to give you 2017. That for the first row here, 2017. And the next thing you are saying multiply by 100 so that you want to add the 2 months to it. So it's going to give me 2017 So when I now, the next thing is to extract a month, part of my date, and my month is 2 digits. So I will now add it to the last, so that I can use it to sort my month. That's all. Any other question? Hello, class. Any other question? Hello, are we together?
Yes, we are together. No question.
Okay. Okay. So by His grace, in our next class, we will look at reports, and probably we'll round up on the last class, we round up on dashboard. And we'll call it a day for this class.
In a journey.
So in absence of nothing, this is 2 minutes to 11. Let's call it a day here. That is great. Okay.
Can I ask you to, because this is the most updated one now.
Yeah,
I'll try to follow it though. Can you please drop this for us so that?
No problem. No problem. I'll be glad to do that. I'll do that.
Thank you.
Right away. Let me be sure. I'm coming. Okay. Okay. So let me do that right away. Good. So you all have it. Any other question? So let's stop sharing here. May I say good night to you all?
Good night, sir.
Yeah, enjoy your evening.
Thank
Good
you.
night, sir.
Good night,
Yeah,
sir.
bye-bye. Bye-bye.
AB, because please
Good
just
night, sir.
send me the ones you recorded and I will merge it to this one and post.